here in Los Angeles at a car wash center, washing my car, and boy, these guys are really working hard. They are really putting a lot of effort on cleaning the cars, and I don't know. I'm looking forward to those times where we humans we won't need to do this, and we will be in a greater state of abundance, where all these people will have more abundance. Yes, but I am appreciating the way how they work. They work with great dignity, and they really do their best. And for what? Probably for a few bucks a day. Yeah. Well, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for doing things that most of us are not willing to do. We are really fortunate to have you. It's a beautiful day on July. My car is almost ready. Ciao. One more thing, please guys, when you wash your car, give them a good tip, okay? That would be wonderful.